Edisoft's Merchant EDI suite is comprised of a series of modular software components that can be deployed either in a client-server environment or via terminal services, and can be integrated with a wide range of ERP applications. Edisoft's Merchant EDI suite includes Merchant for Adagio, a solution optimized for clients seeking an EDI solution to process purchase orders, invoices, as well as ASNs. The Edisoft Business Exchange VAN, which supports communications with all trading partners, including those who require direct communications with protocols such as AS2, in-network translation, and many other powerful features. Trading Partner Kits. Edisoft's Merchant EDI suite includes thousands of trading partner kits and labels that can be plugged into the main solution architecture. This ensures compliance with your trading partner's EDI and fulfillment requirements. Merchant for Adagio integrates with Adagio Order Entry, Adagio Inventory, and Adagio Receivables. To begin, we go to Send Receive, where we can access the EDI communications provider. We connect, click Receive to download any files that are available, and disconnect. Next, we need to translate any files that have been received. We can click the Translate button, highlight one or more files, so now the files have been translated. We can go to the inbox to access the EDI documents that have been received. Here we see that one 850 purchase order has been received, purchase order number PO1001. We can use the Print button to access a document report, which can be printed to a printer or previewed on the screen. Here we see our purchase order information, bill to ship to information, applicable dates, and a little further down the report we see our item quantities as well as the prices associated with the items. Our next step would be to post the purchase order to Adagio to create a sales order. So we have our 850 purchase order highlighted, we click Post, and we see that Adagio sales order number 1615 has been generated. In Adagio we can see the new order that's been generated, order number 1615, based on the information that was received in the 850 purchase order. Next we'll ship all to move things onto an invoice, and we have invoice 4521. Here we see the invoice contents. So with the Adagio invoice available, we go back to Edisoft Merchant, where we can now pack the order and create the 856. Select our trading partner, select the invoice order that we've been processing, and in this case we'll choose to manual pack. Select the container type to pack to, and in this case I'm going to pack one item per container. The next step on the Packed Invoices tab, with our invoice and order highlighted, we can choose to print labels. We can enter applicable information at this point as needed. And also we can use the print button to actually print shipping labels. Click Exit. The next step would be to prepare the 856, which moves it to the final tab where we can actually create an 856 ASN to be sent to the customer. So with the Adagio invoice generated, our next step is to return to Edisoft Merchant, where we can go to eDocuments and generate an 856 ASN. We select our trading partner and the invoice we want to work with, and in this case we will do a manual pack. Select the container type that we want to work with, and in this case I'll be packing one item per container. On the Packed Invoices tab, we see our invoices available, and we can click the Print Labels button where we can enter applicable information as needed. And the print button can be used to actually print shipping labels. We click Prepare 856 to move the shipment along. And on the final tab, we can highlight our invoice and click Create 856 to generate an EDI 856 document. Next, we can go to eDocuments, Invoice 810, select the applicable trading partner and invoice number, and use the Create 810 button to generate our EDI 810 document. Finally, we go to the outbox where we can view the EDI documents that have been generated. In this case, a 997 functional acknowledgement, which is an acknowledgement that an EDI file has been received. Our 856 ASN document with our shipping information. And lastly, our 810 invoice. To send these documents to the trading partner, we click the envelope button, which again opens the Send Receive window where we can connect to our EDI communications provider, and in this case we'll be sending, and then we disconnect.